Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and initial burn-in of my Pro Smoker and Roaster PK100. Stay tuned. All right, so before I pull the smoker out of the box, I do want to thank PS Seasonings for sending this smoker to me. This smoker is going to be used to smoke all of my sausages, and I cannot wait. So PS Seasonings is where I get all of my sausage making supplies, and I highly recommend that if you're into sausage making or you want to start getting into sausage making, check out PS Seasonings. All right, so I'm just going to pull the smoker out of the box, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I pulled the PK100 out of the box. Now inside the cabinet of the smoker, there was a small box that's got the grill grates and also these 4-inch casters. You get 4 of them. So I just have the smoker and gently laid it on one side on top of the cardboard. So I'm just gonna screw one of the wheels on here. Real simple process. All right, just like that. And I do have a 3/4 inch wrench right here. Just gonna tighten that nut. Don't get too crazy on it, okay? Just nice and snug. Okay, that looks good. And one thing I already like about these wheels is that all of them do have a locking mechanism, okay? So I'm gonna put the other 3 wheels on and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I've got the casters on. Now I've got to put this burner drip pan on, and that's real simple. You just gotta lift the burner up a little bit and slide this on the bottom. Okay, just like that. All right, so the next step is I've already wiped the inside down with just plain water and some paper towels, and you got these 2 racks, okay? Now these 2 racks hold your grates. There's 2 tabs over here on the left side wall. Just install them like that, and also install the rack on the right side of the smoker. All right, pretty simple process. All right, I'm gonna wash up the grates and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I've got my grates washed and I've got my sawdust pan. Per the instructions, it says to fill it up 1/3 full and just put it on your burner, just like that. I'm also gonna install the drip pan on the bottom. Even though we're not gonna cook anything, I'm gonna go ahead and install it, just like that. Now, when I am gonna be cooking, I will cover that with foil just to make it easier to clean up, okay? All right, so next step, I'm just gonna close the door, but I do wanna show you this hinge right here. This is some high quality stuff, okay? If you need to tighten the hinge, you can just twist it in a little bit or twist it out. But it just latches on like this, okay? Really high quality latch. By the way, this Pro Smoker and Roaster is made right here in the USA, so you know it's gonna be a good quality. So got the bottom one latched up. Let's fire it up. All right, let's fire up this bad boy. By the way, I do have the damper on the door halfway open and also the exhaust halfway open. We'll just hit the switch right here, and I do have it set at the 625 watt setting. So I'm just gonna hit the set button right here a couple times, and the instructions say to smoke for 3 hours at 100 degrees. So I'm just gonna hold this arrow down button until I get to 100 degrees. Just like that, and we're set, we're ready to go. So I'm gonna let this go for 3 hours. It's gonna get dark on us, but I'll bring you guys back and show you guys what the inside looks like at that point. Stay tuned. All right, so it's been 3 hours since I turned the smoker on, and I did shut it off. Let's take a look at the inside and see if we got a nice film on the interior doors. Yeah, a little bit, slightly brown. So overall, my first impressions on this PK100 is that it's a really high quality smoker, stainless steel throughout the entire exterior of it, really nice and insulated. I cannot wait to start smoking some sausages, bratwurst, maybe some summer sausage, and definitely some beef jerky. Thanks for watching this unboxing and burn-in video. If you guys have any questions, ask them down below. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.